All right, yes, welcome back once again to this lesson. To lesson 4. We'll be looking at a platform known as Base44. All right, it's going to use this platform to build an application for medical, where doctors can be booked, nurses can be booked, medical professionals can offer services to their patients right on this application. And Base 44 is known for its accuracy in building your application to the exact specification you gave it. The least monthly fee for this application is $16. And the free plan can start you up, build some stuff and serve all for your clients. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to start as usual with a prompt from my head. All right, I don't need to go into too much details for now. All right, so let's get started. Fill me a medical application with the front and dashboards. Patients, doctors, um, and create a system where patients can seek medical attention quickly via chats, via a chatting system, a video call, book video, receive medical start, body starts, like blood pressure, temperature. I know this because once you go to the hospital, one of the first things they check is the statistics, right? Body mass index, temperature, pressure, and other preliminary data. Make this application fully functional. Add relevant pages that project the brand, such as doctors directory, Genesis, contacts, log, pricing, It's not gonna be free. Before they can secure the service of any medical doctor or nurse, they should be able to pay some amount. Yeah, so can't really get all the details of it. So let me say other relevant features, not pages now. Okay. So I will copy the paper slide and send it to base 44. Let's see what you got. Okay, so they started creating your app. All right, so work is still going on. Let's see what we'll be able to achieve with base 44. See, it's showing you the files that it's working on. Oh, we even started with a plan. Okay, so let's look at the plan. After thinking for 16 seconds, thinking about our prompt, the supportive front came up with this plan. I'll give you a comprehensive world-class medical world-class medical. Okay. All right, almost there. It's elegant professional design. Let me start by planning the structure. Dual dashboard for patients and doctors with rule-based views. In a real-time chat system for medical consultation, video call appointment booking, okay, health vitals, tracking, blood pressure, and all that, complete appointment management systems, public-facing pages, all right, medical, great professional aesthetic, calming blue, teal palette as the colors mostly used in medical applications, clean, spacious layouts, with premium typography. Okay, all these are physical aesthetics. So it now talks about the app organization, patient data with health stats, upcoming appointments, big actions, the doctor dashboard with schedule, patient lists, consultation requests, appointment booking flow with doctor sections, and scheduling, chat interface for checks, consultations, health records transfer. This is very detailed. I like it. You know, one thing about this particular platform, it's known for its precision. It's usually detailed, right? Usually very detailed, and it's always very mobile, responsive, very mobile, responsive. Okay. Can view anything with Base44, including bank application. Yes. Yeah, I was sharing a video before we launched this course about a bank application built by one of the students, right? So that was done with Base44. That tells you how powerful it is. You pick up your prompt, expand it, include several features, before with something very powerful and robust, right? As you can see, we're not yet there. It's gradually coming out. Okay, yeah. Still building some inner pages. Right. Okay, let's wait for it to continue. Still making progress. really liking what I'm seeing, even though we are not done yet. But I know we will not always get what we want exactly how we want it at the first attempt. So there will always be room for improvement. But let's see what our first attempt will look like. I really want to see it create this chart system to see it actually work. Another feature that will really intrigue me, if it works well, is the what is it called, the video calling between doctors and patient. All right, but even if it doesn't work here, what I will do is to take it to first of all. Thank God the next course is We are going to be doing using cursor for the lesson. All right, but let's see what happens here first. And of course, if it doesn't work in cursor, I have the which is always my last resort for augment code. Okay. Okay, it's taking a bit more time. You just have to be patient. How you know that this courseware, this learning management system was built 100% with AI. Yes, what you can see right now on your screen was built 100% with AI. We just added a new module 14 to the course, all right, based on demand from most of the students. Data analysis with artificial intelligence. This is like a bonus, contain 10 lessons, powerful lessons. You're analyzing data with, uh, with the use of artificial intelligence. Those are the lessons for the 14. Starting with introduction to data analysis, setting up your AI data environment, data cleaning and processing with AI, exploratory data analysis, it is data visualization with AI tools, predictive analysis, and machine learning integration. Right? A lot of perform regression, classification, forecasting, understanding logic behind predictive models. Very powerful. I'm also going to do some real world project, like a business sales dashboard. So you need to go and do Excel and SPSS and other stuff again, Power BI and something. AI can do it for you. All right, automating reports and presentations. Okay, integrating AI data or AI data insight into your web application and your mobile application. You can fetch data there using APIs, right, to connect your AI generated data insights. All right, then final project, you are going to do a data project. This is bonus, not compulsory for everyone, particularly those that are demanded for it. Okay, so I just needed to show you that while we wait for this guy to, oh wow, it's done. So let me read through what it's summary. I need to continue, okay? I've built a complete production-ready medical booking application with elegant design featuring patient doctor dashboard, booking appointments. Love what I'm seeing. I've built a comprehensive, fully functional medical booking application with an elegant patient dashboard, book appointments, okay, health records, chat system. Wow. Okay. Doctor's dashboard, my schedule, consultations, patterns, public pages, okay? These are the pages that users can see, public me a reward, a letter, and entities created, auto profile, appointment, okay, health records, vital tracking, and so on. Design highlights. Okay, let's look at it. First of all, I want to see the mobile design switch. Look at it in mobile. This is, we'll fix this. That's supposed to be so. Yeah. It's slick. This is not, this is cool. You know, to build this kind of application for a client, if we are talking about 1 to 2 million naira, yes, 1 to 2 million naira or more, depending on the paying power of who you are building. Okay, let me look at it. You can take it to GitHub by clicking here, right? And edit it further if you can, right? Okay. You can also share it. Let me copy the link and open it in a new tab. Let's see what we've got. Oh, not yet published. Oh, sorry. Before I can pick that link, I have to publish it. So I click here. If you have a custom domain, you have registered a domain name, www.mymediconnect.com, you can manage it and add the domain name. Since we have not done that, there is no need to go there. So I can just publish it the way it is. Okay. All right. The login is required. Let me see. So I need to sign up. Let me do that with my Google account. You see, everything is ready. Everything is ready. There's nothing like go and come back. All right? So you can just deploy directly from here. I'll take it to your GitHub, set up automation. This is my account name. You pick that from my email. Okay. So I have a patient, for instance, I come here to my patient dashboard. Boom, 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 boom. So I can add my records, my health records. You can book appointment to see a doctor. So these are the doctors who have been enrolled already, right? And these are their fee. Each of them has a price tag. Wow. Okay, let's assume I want to go with the cheapest guy here, the Mike. What service do I want from Mike? Video call, do I want in person, or I want to just be chatting with him? So I choose. All right. So pick my preferred date of appointment. Let's say I want to do it on Friday. Preferred time. Let's say 9:00 a.m. 1 to 9 a.m. I type it. Okay. So that is that. Why do you want to visit it? Why do you want to get in touch with it? Is it for annual checkup, eye checkup, or whatever it is? So, any symptoms? Pains and blurry, sights, something like that. So you confirm booking. Then booking. Okay, I didn't go through. We'll find out why. And I want to believe it's because we've not really talked about the back end yet regarding this project. Okay, so let me come back here. Book appointment. Okay, that's where I am ready. My appointment, I've not booked any yet. If upcoming past appointment, cancel appointment. Okay. Health records. I need to add my health records. So I click here. Okay. Oh, it's up here. When you click, it opens upwards. All right. So, so you feel this, and the doctor will be guided on your current health status, oxygen saturation. This must have been a result, a product of a test, right? You're not just assuming it. Okay, so let me go back to that. That thing of the day, this should be coming from an admin or a doctor. Of course, there should be admin that for this application. This has not been built. Messages have not been built. Appointment has been built. Okay. All right, so this is where we are. Let me see. This is the doctor's directory where you can find the doctor right from the front end. Wow. So it still takes you to that page where you then choose which of the doctors you want. Services. Okay, these are the services they offer. Pricing. This was not applying the pricing I meant. Okay, I wanted doctors to charge their fee. This is the block. It also has a few. All these things are subject to changes, modification, addition. This is just what the AI have given you. So I can add an image here as part of this block. I can rewrite this article the way I want it. It has not been written. So you see that? It's left for us to improve it till it come out the way we want it. Deployment is very easy. Don't worry about that. All you need to focus on for now is how to make it the way you want, how to make it sleek. Let me see this, okay? Doctor appointment messages, health record block of services. This is the code base. Yeah, you can't edit code until you upgrade, but I can still edit it if I move it to GitHub. Right? API. So app settings, indication. Okay, we have chosen email, and this is this is what controls the sign up. All right, you can use Facebook, you can use the email to sign up, or Microsoft to only sign up. So all this are there. App settings, you can do some settings, you can add a logo and describe the application. General settings and all this. Okay, so this is that for this overview. We'll come back to this platform. There's 44 and every other platform that we are looking at. This is just to get you to see what's possible. So that, okay, can add users here. So it has its own native database, right? So you can add users here. Use this database schema. All right, so that is that. The truth is that if you are not a software developer, you are not writing codes already. It is not everything that you understand, right? So the idea is that you have built it and it's working. You deploy it, collect money from your client. You set up CI/CD pipeline. You manage it with prompts. All right. Anytime a client needs a new feature, a modification, come back and write the prompt. We'll show you how to set up that CI/CD as you progress, so that whatever you prompt here goes to GitHub, from GitHub, it enters your site. That should be your worry for now. So all those codes and all that stuff should not be your concern. They say if you want to take on the journey of learning how to write the code by yourself, it is a very long journey. Personally, I don't see the need for it right now. Okay. But if you really want to do it, it's not bad. It's not bad. But the scope of our class is to help you to deliver your projects in right, get your money, go for the next client. Now, looking at this, you can see that we can finish this whole application in 3 days if we really want to deploy it. What is remaining now is for us to keep improving it till it comes out that we want. And to improve it, this prompt, you just keep writing the prompt. For instance, let me check something and add to this. Okay, let's fix this button. The find adapter button should be viewed. Okay, let me just add the button text. Find adapter button in the review section. The blue color. Fix that. So I said it. So let's see what can happen. Come back to the preview. You can switch between dashboard and preview. See the settings. Preview it. We need to fix this button. I've add more images. So I never look to text to out. Add more visuals, videos, whatever, animations and stuff like that to make it really good. I see that button has been fixed. That's the same way you fix every other thing. Add every new feature. Any new thing you want to add, just keep prompting it. Before you know it, they are done. Okay, let me just move into my tutor so you see how that looks. I click here. Export. I can zip it and download it into my system and still continue coding it. Or I can export it to my GitHub. Hey, shit. Okay. So they have placed a limit on that. Unlike other platforms, they say you have to upgrade. The upgrade is about 16 bucks, 16 USG. But that's not necessary. What I may do now is to take it down. Even this one, man, these guys only want to make money. So all right. So their list plan is this: start at $16. Okay, not bad. It's actually a very good platform. What I like them is that they seem to be getting it right. Right? There are not too much errors after they finish building. Okay. And they have their inbuilt database and user management. You also this. Okay. So you don't need to integrate things too much like Superbase, Firebase, and all those. So this is their ad user say this user management. All your data will be here. For doctors, the doctors will be listed here. Okay, so you can add doctors. So these are the demo doctors that have been added already that we saw when we were testing it. Appointment will come here. When a user books an appointment, it will be listed here. It can also be booked from the dashboard. Health records here. So it's cool. It's cool. All your chats will come here. Right? It's a platform working. The blog posts are editable here. Yeah, you can delete. Here we can edit. Okay. So all we need to do is to fetch all this data and build something around it. Service. See, these are their services. You can add new ones. This is the analytics that shows how many people have visited that site. Okay. Then for domain name, you can, if you are on a pro plans, you can add your own domain name that you registered somewhere. Okay, I will show you things about domain name much later. This is your code. Okay, so that is that for this lesson. Stop there and see you in the next lesson. Next lesson, we'll be talking about my favorite function. After that, we talk about augment code. I'm going to actually build something with it. All right, so sit tight.